already going. Okay, so it didn't do nothing.
Subframe's a little too sharp.
I got more straps. Just gotta do better this time. Can we start wrapping 2 straps?
Yeah. Do you still want to go off the subframe?
Yes.
Okay.
Where else do we wrap it around?
Well, I think that little lip on the bottom of the subframe is so sharp that that's just going to keep shearing through.
I was hoping maybe if we stack them up, it'll be okay. I know it, I just, the problem is we need to be able to get that frame. If we go from the control arm, we could break the subframe.
You know, this wouldn't have happened if you had a real Nismo power case. That's what you get for having knockoff
For
parts.
painting it silver and putting a Nismo sticker on it.
Yeah.
This wouldn't happen if I was better. Stay inside.
Go back in your home.
Go back to where you belong. Mexico? No, your house.
Can I eat?
You
now?
just want to be on camera, huh?
Can I eat?
Yeah,
now?
Sammy, cut this out. This fool doesn't need to be in it.
You're cloud chasing.
All right, you want to run around with that? No, this one. Oh,
Okay. Do you want 2 around it or just the single? We'll be able to get more run.
Not, I don't know that we'll double up the original one. I think we'll use 2 straps. So we'll have, hopefully, we'll see what happens.
Neighborhood's gotten shit. Bunch of tweakers out here pulling up the car.
It just looks like my car broke down. We're trying to get it home.
Exactly. We're having a hard time.
Until someone that knows comes, why is it all bent like that? Don't worry about it. You guys aren't trying to get it home at all. Using a slip knot. I'm just filming. I don't know if you wanted me to stop or not, so getting a lot of B-roll here.
No worries. It works. Better than not having any at all, which is more or less what I'm really good at. So, okay. That might break less. We'll see. Probably break.
I'll buy you lunch again today.
Like lunch.
You're just making noise to be in the video. You're not going to be in the video. Filming everybody except you. Sammy's going to edit it, so right when it kind of shows you, it cuts out. Hitting Tom in 3, 2, 1. Bah!
Take a Suburban in the back of the knee. Fall out of it.
All right, Sammy, so what's going on?
That's nice. That's a nice knot. That's way better than I did. I put 2 this time. So maybe 2 will work. I don't know.
Tom's got a knot, see?
Okay.
That might just bend
Are our
that.
lengths gonna
Hold on,
match
let's
up?
go this way. Instead of there.
There you go, yeah. That's what those are for, guys.
Genius. I'm gonna pull tight to see how.
I don't tighten up when you pull.
It's not like that.
Fuck it.
Tell Mikey to get ready.
Get ready. Close the door. On the brakes. On the brakes.
pieces of wood.
Yeah.
I think we're getting slightly better with every little tug, so there we go.
Go again. Okay, that one I didn't like. I don't know if
That
you saw
shit.
the motor.
Ah. Oh, you
We're gonna rip the other motor mount out. We keep going.
Okay, well. The other motor mount's not touching anyway.
Well, the distributor just hit the fucking frame rails, so
Oh, yeah?
the whole motor.
It did a Yankee? Okay, well.
Tom, we'll blur your face. What do you think's going on so far?
You guys do too much meth, and you should probably just chop the front of the car off and tube it.
Yeah, but then it voids the warranty.
Oh, you're right. You're right. I'm sure like the SR swap's gonna do that.
Yeah.
Or, you know,
After we
WUs
fix,
of
I'm
making-
taking it to the dealership and be like, I need a new radiator. Is this under warranty? You bet.
You got that Dodge limited lifetime warranty through your grandpa
Oh yeah.
on your Nissan.
I think we're only gonna get one pull before the strap breaks anyway. But
You're gonna send her to the moon?
you wanna try it? I think it's getting there, but it's slow progress.
What if you just like 4,000 RPM neutral drop it?
It's just gonna break the straps, but come look at the frame rail. You think it's been moved at all? Does it look like the pinch has opened up at all?
I mean, the wheel hasn't come forward. I mean, it has since we first started.
Oh yeah, it's not as pinched up as it was.
Yeah. I think what we should do, we can run and get the jack filler right here, pull the wheel real quick, try and hammer that fold down, because that bow is going to make it have to open the bow, so we hammer the bow flat so that it has less to pull. You know what I mean?
This won't work. I'm gonna yank it.
Right here?
Wait, say like into the camera.
That's a lot of work. I'm gonna yank it.
Tom's using his engineering degree.
Go make it.
I don't think
Sammy's saying hammer, hammer.
So where I'm at is I don't think it's gonna yank how we want it to, no matter what. So maybe we're gonna just take it back home and put it up in the air and start doing
What is that, 747?
We'll just do one more and make it like YouTube worthy. Become the next Whistle and Diesel. A segwitch.
well.
What? Oh, sorry.
So I'll give it a pretty good tug and see how it does this time. All right, stand back, get back in, and super press on the brake.
Both feet on the brake. All full.
Both of them.
It'll get more braking moment.
Yeah, seriously, will. He believes anything you tell him.
If you shit yourself, the car will know and it'll be like, it's time to stop. There's poo-poo in the car.
Oh, here we go. Oh my god.
I saw the wheel come forward on that one.
Yeah, it totally did. Look at that. Sammy said he wanted to yank it.
The wheel
Fucking
came
yanked it.
forward. Where did the... Good. While we're right here, we've got everything out. This could probably be not hard pulled, but just thread pulled.
Absolutely. Absolutely. Except all my chains are broken.
Your chains are broken? Or do you mean your straps, dog?
Go right in that square.
Well, because I already pulled from there. That's what I was pulling from this morning. If I pull from right here, it might pull the corner. Yeah.
If someone was in there just holding the brake,
No, it's all good. Can you?
like they're supposed to.
Are you all within the wiring harness and stuff?
I don't think so. I tried to. Don't do knots like me. I don't know what the hell I'm doing. Another one.
It's just gonna like slide right out. It's a poop knot. Get in there, hurry up. Hit the brakes. You're not on the video, so. What did that way?
You want like to put it off, stand on the engine and turn down the steering. A little bit more. Little tiny bit more. That's all you're gonna get going that way. So let me adjust the strap. Just back up real quick.
All right, Sam, this is take 2. Let's go. What's going on? You got chain?
Yeah. I got some chain this time. Try wrap it around this one thing.
What are you doing out of the car, Mike?
Huh?
Get in the car.
I'm not too confident in this chain, but hopefully it's better than the strap. Give her a shot.
Yeah, you might not want to go super fast on this one.
Oh yeah, that chain's probably gonna break too. Well, we'll see what happens.
Yeah, I'm a little afraid of this one.
Better than the straps.
Chain broke.
Chain gang.
I think the link broke.
Anything? It's like moving a little bit, but that's a lot of force. It's all we really got.
Release cuts and pull with straps and chain it to the forward thrust.
I guess.
All right, so what's the plan now, Sammy?
We're gonna go start cutting, I guess. I don't know. Figure it out as we go.
All right.